Hi everyone, welcome to the Roblox Chef Master. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite goodies, Pop Tarts. Okay, I know you can buy Pop Tarts at the store and just pop it into the toaster, but what fun is that? Well, today I'm going to be showing you a simple recipe to make your very own homemade Pop Tarts. To get started, you're going to need a food processor, or you can use a blender. I'm using a semi-fancy one here with tons of cute little lights, but choose whichever one you have. Now we're going to start by putting some flour into the food processor. Okay, calm down, flour. It's not that fun. Just calm it down. Next, add some salt. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit. Okay, I don't know if you saw that, but I missed the spot. One of the Roblox salts fell off and didn't make it into the food processor. So let's try this again. Woohoo! It made it! Now here's a closer up of what we have. We have some flour and some salt. Can you see how cute the mini salts are? Okay, now time to add some sugar. Let's hope they all make it into the food processor. Oh no! Alright, let's try this again. Fingers crossed. Yes! Okay, now add some butter. Wait a minute. Can somebody tell me what's going on with the butter? It looks rotten, doesn't it? Ew. Okay, don't use rotten butter. We're gonna remove the butter. Okay, thankfully I bought some new butter, so let's try this again. Come on, butter. Hop on in. Whew, that looks more like it. Okay, last but not least, we're gonna add a little bit of ice water. Oh, come on. How come these Roblox aren't going into the food processor? Do you see that one just chilling in the back? Okay, I guess the ones that didn't make it are just gonna chill in the back. I mean, hey, it's cooking, right? Ingredients fall everywhere. It's okay. And now's the fun part. We're gonna blend it all up. Okay, now once you've combined everything, we have one big dough of flour. Okay, but wait, why do you look so evil? Okay, now we're going to take the Evo dough and we're going to transfer it onto a bowl because we have to refrigerate it for about an hour. So let's put it in the fridge. And then take it out of the fridge. Okay, now that our Evo dough is ready, we're gonna go ahead and split that one big piece into smaller pieces. Now you can do any size you want. Play around. You can have different sizes Pop-Tarts if you want, or you can make them all the same size. Up to you. So here I'm just gonna split them into different pieces. Okay, so here I have my dough in different sizes. Again, you can make them all the same size if you want. I just want to have some fun, so I made different sizes. Now next, we're gonna add some fruit preserves. So you can add some strawberries, some blueberries, whatever fruit you like. For the very first one, I'm going to add some strawberries because I want to make a strawberry Pop-Tart. So we're going to go ahead and add some strawberries on top. And make sure you spread out the strawberries so every bite you'll get yummy strawberry. Alright, so that looks like it's enough strawberries. All of them are happy and dancing and having a good time. So we're going to move on to the next one. For this next one, I'm going to add some blueberries because I love me a blueberry Pop-Tart. Hey, one of the blueberries got stuck. And again, make sure to spread out your blueberries. For this very last one, I think I'm going to make a chocolate Pop-Tart. Come on, chocolate. Hey, where are you going? Come back here, chocolate. Alright, it looks like the rest of the chocolates don't want to come. Well, we'll just have to deal with it. Why are you dancing in the background? You're supposed to come to this Pop-Tart. Okay, just to recap, we're making a strawberry Pop-Tart, a blueberry, and a chocolate Pop-Tart. Let me know in the comments below what kind of Pop-Tart's your favorite. Wow, once all the fruits have calmed down, you have a nice layer of the filling. So we have strawberry on the left, blueberry in the middle, and then chocolate on the right. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put another layer of the dough on top of the filling because we're going to have to seal it. Alright, once you've sealed your Pop-Tarts, this is what it looks like. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put this back in the fridge because we got to freeze them for about 2 hours. After you take them out of the fridge, we're going to go ahead and bake them. So put it in the oven. Alright, now that they're out of the oven, look at how crispy golden brown they are. Okay, wait, I think this one didn't really get cooked well enough, but we'll just ignore that. It happens. We'll put this back in the oven and bake it a little more, but the rest looks good. Now we're just gonna top these with some vanilla frosting or whatever frosting you want to use. And then just make sure you spread them all out. Now do the same for the rest of them. Okay, great. Now we've added all the frosting and we're just gonna let it sit for about a minute. Now we have a nice thin layer of vanilla icing. And the last and best part is we're gonna add some sprinkles. Alright, so don't go too crazy on the sprinkles, but go ahead and have some fun and add as many as you like. Alright, once you've added all your sprinkles, this is what it'll look like. And guess what? They're ready to be served and to eat and enjoy. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Hope you all enjoy and look forward to the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.